So hi guys, today I'm here talking about an amazing hair removal product that I've been using called Smoopeel. Smoopeel is an all-natural product that contains plants and minerals. What I particularly love about this product is that it is ideal for people with sensitive skin like I have, as it doesn't cause any form of irritation or cause any razor bumps after using. So today I want to show you a demonstration of how I use it and also just talk to you a little bit more about this product so you can find out whether it would work as great as it does for me for you also. So I thought I'll just show you exactly what comes inside of the packet when you receive your product. So you get 3 packets of the unique powder formula and you also get a spatula to use to mix the formula up. What's really great about this formula is that it can be stored for years, so you can get a good amount of time out of this one single product, which is very cost effective. One of the benefits of Smoopeel is that it doesn't hurt. I used to have waxes done all the time, and what I really hated was the pain that I had to go through to get smooth skin. With Smoopeel, it is a completely painless process, so you can hair remove as often as you need to, and it leaves your skin feeling super smooth. So when it comes to using Smoopeel, the amount of product that you need depends on the area that you're going to be removing hair from. Today I'm going to do a short demonstration of how I remove excess hair on my arms. So I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon in order to measure it out. So all I do is I get a teaspoon and I level it out and I simply place it into a cup. It's so easy to do and it's just such a simple, clean process. Once I have my powder, I then go ahead and get some water and I slowly pour it in. The amount of water that I use is dependent on how much powder I have. Once I have my formula, I then go ahead and grab a spatula and I use this to stir the formula to mix it up. So as you can see guys, I have very fine hairs on my arm, that's even if they're visible. But what's so good about Smoopeel is that it's able to remove all types of hair, whether it's thin hair or fine hair, and over time it also helps you to brighten the hair and it helps the hair to grow slower. So all I'm going to do now is take my formula and smooth it on to my arm like that. So hi guys, I'm back and I left the solution on for exactly 5 minutes. So as you can see, it is now dried up. You just saw a little bit of flakes that just dropped off. And as I touch here, I just show you the feedback on my finger. There's nothing on my hand. Hey guys, seriously guys, the results from using Smoopeel never ever fail to shock me. If I show you my arm now, the results are amazing. And all I've done after, as you saw, was take some moisturizer and just smooth my skin with it. And that is all you need to do. It's the most efficient, easy, natural and also safe way of removing hair. And as you can see, I do not have any redness or irritation on the skin. This is a fantastic product guys, and I recommend you all to go and pick up a box of Smoopeel. Alright guys, until next time, take care and bye bye.